Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change speed in Adobe Premiere. To begin, I added a clip of cycle racing. Select first part 5 seconds, then 2 seconds and the last part 5 seconds. Right click on the first part and change speed 400%. Make sure you check ripple edit and time interpolation optical flow. Hit OK. For second part, I will change speed into 70% because I'm using video 30 frames per second. If you use footage 60 frames per second, it would be more beautiful. Third part, I will change speed into 500. You can also use rate stretch tool to change speed. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. See you next time.